everyone, we are in Vietnam.
Red light, go. Green light, go. Doesn't matter. Nothing matters. I left our bag with our passports on the bus.
So we are in the lounge here in Chiang Mai, and we just realized we have no place to stay tonight. Our flight leaves in like an hour. This is what happens when you travel full time. These little things like just do last minute booking a place to stay. It would be nice though to land and have a place to stay. So we're gonna go book that now.
From row number 1, thank you.
係一嚟緊上單我係㗎。
To unfasten, lift the metal flap.
We're taking a bus. It is 30 cents for an hour. Alex left our red bag that has all our passports and money in it on the bus, and he is running for it right now. And I'm so nervous.
I ran for like over a mile, trying to figure out where the bus went. Didn't see it. Gone on a back of a motorbike. They tried to chase it down, took me to the bus station. That's where I am right now. And they said that they would bring the bag, that they found it. I don't know. There's a couple of valuables in there, the GoPro and a Kindle, sunglasses, so I'm not expecting those to be there when they bring it back. I put the bag behind me on the bus, and I even thought as I put it there, oh, don't forget it, don't forget it. Now I'm gonna be waiting over the next 2-ish hours for them to bring it here, and I just hope it at least has our passports. That's the best I can hope for, I think. See how this goes. I'm so relieved right now. I got my bag back from the bus. I had to wait there for like 2 hours or so for them to bring it back, and it has everything in it. It's got the GoPro, the Kindle, my passport, all the important stuff that I was so worried about getting stolen. They're in there, so I can chill. Now I just have to rush back to Liz so that we can go get some food before we go to bed. All right.
So Chiang Mai seems so tame compared to here.
Yeah, it is seriously like the Wild West here on the road. Like nothing matters. They drive on the right side of the road here, but that doesn't matter. Right, left, red light, go, green light, go, doesn't matter. Nothing matters. It's crazy.
Yeah.
We are finally here at 9 p.m. trying some food.
So we are trying something, and this is why we brought you two here. We got some to-go banh mi's. We have never tried banh mi's ever. So we thought we'd do our first tasting ever on camera to bring you along with us. I actually didn't know much about this until I did some research online. The banh mi originated from back when like the French colonized Vietnam, and so there were baguettes, and so it's essentially a baguette sandwich. And we found a place that does vegetarian options, so we got a tofu avocado banh mi. So we will give it a taste test here on the camera. All right.
Hold on. So you've got tofu and avocado and carrots and other stuff like that.
Cilantro, it looks like.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Cheers.
I'm going to spill this. It's going to happen. Cheers.
To recap, if you guys haven't been watching our videos for a while, here are some clips of Alex spilling.
I made a mess. I'm impressed.
All right. I spilled this one.
That bite was just bread. I'm gonna need to take another one.
This is good. They like fried the tofu, so it's almost like a falafel on the outside. I really like the taste of the baguette. This is amazing bread. I mean, this is really good. We got it at banh mi 25.
Okay, yeah, it's really good.
Really good. I think they had the spice at the place on the tables, and I could see how that would taste good on this.
Yeah, I think it does need a little bit of spice.
We are in Hanoi, our first full day here in Hanoi. We got in last night. We have a super packed 3 weeks here that we've kind of mapped out an itinerary. I'm sure things won't go as planned as usual. Really, there's so much things to see in Vietnam, and we're trying to do some in the north and in the south that we have super packed. So we have like 2 weeks in the north, 1 week in the south, and we're gonna take you along with us. We need to exchange money right now. We have a bunch of Thai baht here we need to get exchanged. So we're gonna deal with that this morning. We're also just gonna do some more last minute planning, book some buses. So we'll take you along. We are at the Note Cafe, which is named because they give you little post-it notes.
My friend, can we take him home?
No, we have no
He's a
home.
little bit afraid, but he came right up to me.
Another BF for Alex.
He's got painted nails or something?
What are you doing? You got pink toenails.
Ow. How can I leave this dog here?
We are running late, honey. About to head onto a bus to go to Ha Giang.
I think this is the bus. Okay, we gotta go.
Okay, I've been told by Alex I look purple right now, but hopefully that won't be a problem.
They have these lights up here.
Yeah. So our original plans did not at all turn out. We had talked to you earlier today about how like probably nothing will go as planned, and already our day one in Hanoi, it hasn't gone as planned. We weren't able to get buses or trains to Sapa or Nha Binh because it's the weekend and they're all booked up. So we are moving our Ha Giang sooner because we could get a bus to Ha Giang. So we're headed to Ha Giang right now. We just got on the bus and we are hoping that it's a good sign that we were able to get a bus to Ha Giang because that means hopefully it won't be as crowded. I have a feeling that this place, if it's not already, because I keep hearing it pop up everywhere, it soon will become like a very crowded tourist destination. We'll see. We'll report and let you know because we are totally unbiased and don't mind reporting the negatives of travel. Yes, join us. We just arrived in Ha Giang and we are about to start the Ha Giang Loop, which we're super excited about. It's a motorcycle route. Typically takes people 3 to 5 days. We're doing it in 4 because I've heard you want to give yourself time. And we're going to try to avoid the police checks. So we can't leave until 11:30 because they check supposedly from 7 to 11 from what we gathered. We just are staying in the nicest little hostel. Like this is, I think, seriously the nicest hostel we've ever stayed at. And we get free breakfast and it's only $6. So this is a really nice setup. The woman is very nice. We are feeling good and excited to start. You guys, we're right on the border of China. Look at this map. We're in the northern part of Vietnam, right along the border of China. It's supposed to be gorgeous, so we're excited to see it. You can go off and do little hikes. So we're just gonna have a lot of fun these next 4 days. By the way, our itinerary for Vietnam is insanely packed. Like, there's so much to do here that we are like gonna be going very quickly here. So you'll see just a ton of stuff probably from this trip.